Shalom and welcome everybody, and in this video we're going to cover the Hebrew verb AMUR. So AMUR, the Hebrew verb AMUR is equivalent to the English supposed to. So with this verb we are expressing things we were supposed to do, or we weren't supposed to do, or we're supposed to do right now. So therefore, in this video we're going to cover how to use the verb AMUR in the past tense and in the present tense. So first of all, we don't have an infinitive for the verb AMUR, therefore we're using it together with the verb liot. But since the verb liot, the verb to be in Hebrew, does not have a conjugation in the present tense, then the verb AMUR is conjugated the following way. In Hebrew we have only 4 conjugations in the present tense, one for masculine singular, one for feminine singular, one for masculine plural, and one for feminine plural. For masculine singular, we will conjugate it the following way. Ani amur, ata amur, hu amur. It means I'm supposed to, you're supposed to, he is supposed to. Feminine singular. Ani amura, at amura, he amura. I'm supposed to, you're supposed to, when we're addressing a woman. She is supposed to. Masculine plural. אנחנו אמורים. אתם אמורים. הם אמורים. We are supposed to. You guys are supposed to. They are supposed to. Feminine plural. אנחנו אמורות. אתן אמורות. הן אמורות. We are supposed to. You girls are supposed to. They are supposed to. אמור, אמורה, אמורים, אמורות. So now we're getting to the exercise. When you're seeing in front of you a sentence in English, pause the video and then try to translate it out loud to Hebrew. Don't rush it. Think about how would you build a sentence in Hebrew. Think about the correct construction. Be aware of the gender and the number of the subject and the object. After you've done so, play the video and see if you got it right. If you didn't get it right, remember to write down this sentence and go back to it and rewatch the video a few times until you'll be able to get it right on your first shot. Am I supposed to be home now? אני אמור להיות בבית עכשיו? Yes, you're supposed to be home now. כן, אתה אמור להיות בבית עכשיו. Am I supposed to be at work today? אני אמורה להיות בעבודה היום? No, you're not supposed to be at work today. לא, את לא אמורה להיות בעבודה היום. You're supposed to be home. את אמורה להיות בבית. You guys are not supposed to eat this. אתם לא אמורים לאכול את זה. Why are we not supposed to eat this? למה אנחנו לא אמורים לאכול את זה? You're not supposed to eat it because it's not healthy. אתם לא אמורים לאכול את זה כי זה לא בריא. Are we supposed to do something now? אנחנו אמורות לעשות משהו עכשיו? Yes, you're supposed to help Avi and מיכל. כן, אתן אמורות לעזור לאבי ומיכל. זמן עבר. Past tense. So now let's see how will we conjugate the verb AMUR in the past tense. So if we want to conjugate the verb AMUR in the past tense, we'll have to use it together with the verb להיות, the verb to be in Hebrew. להיות plus AMUR. Therefore, in order to say I was supposed to, I will use the verb להיות in the past tense, הייתי, and I will use the verb AMUR and conjugate it according to the gender and the number of the subject. For example, I'm a man, I will say I was supposed to, הייתי אמור. If I'm a woman, הייתי אמורה. If I'm addressing that to a man, היית אמור. I'm addressing the same thing to a woman. I'm saying you're supposed to, or you were supposed to. את היית אמורה. So let's refresh our memories and see how do we conjugate the verb להיות, the verb to be, in the past tense in Hebrew. אני הייתי, אתה היית, את היית, הוא היה, היא הייתה, אנחנו היינו, אתם הייתם, אתן הייתן, הם היו, הן היו. One more time, the verb להיות. אני הייתי, אתה היית, את היית, הוא היה, היא הייתה, אנחנו היינו, אתם הייתם, אתן הייתן, הם היו, הן היו. Once again, you see a sentence in English, pause the video, say it out loud in Hebrew, and then play the video and see if you got it right. If you didn't get it right, write it down and then rewatch the video until you will be able to get it on your first try. What was I supposed to do? מה הייתי אמור לעשות? You were supposed to talk to Avi. היית אמור לדבר עם אבי. What was I supposed to tell מיכל? מה הייתי אמורה להגיד למיכל? You were supposed to tell her what to do. היית אמורה להגיד לה מה לעשות. Where was Yossi supposed to be? איפה יוסי היה אמור להיות? Yossi was supposed to be at work. יוסי היה אמור להיות בעבודה. When was מיכל supposed to arrive? מתי מיכל הייתה אמורה להגיע? מיכל was supposed to arrive at 7. מיכל הייתה אמורה להגיע ב-7. When were you supposed to land? מתי הייתם אמורים לנחות? We were supposed to land at 10, but the flight was delayed. היינו אמורים לנחות ב-10, אבל הטיסה התעכבה. Who were you supposed to ask this question? את מי הייתן אמורות לשאול את השאלה הזאת? We were supposed to ask אבי. היינו אמורות לשאול את אבי. How much money did Yossi and Avi were supposed to receive? כמה כסף יוסי ואבי היו אמורים לקבל? They were supposed to receive a lot of money. הם היו אמורים לקבל הרבה כסף. How much money were Michal and Sapir supposed to pay? כמה כסף מיכל וספיר היו אמורות לשלם? They were supposed to pay 100 shekels each. הן היו אמורות לשלם 100 שקלים כל אחת. That's it everyone, I hope that you found this video educating. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next time. Shalom ולהתראות.